Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to talk about those quick crops, and we're going to take a look at some of them and how they're doing. All right, these were planted on September 24th. Now this is French breakfast radish. Then we can get down in here and see. We have a lot of radishes. These should be done the end of the week. It's not quite been 4 weeks since these were planted, so you can see there's some that are big enough to eat right now and could be harvested. Now over here we have our greens. Now a lot of you don't think about greens and how cold hardy they are. Now definitely a frost would get some of these, but and they might nip them back just a little bit, but a lot of these are pretty cold tolerant. So what we've got, let's see, over here we've got right over here our giant red, or Japanese giant red mustard. And this variety is I would say a little spicier. It's got a little more flavor than your standard green mustard, which this is it. And as you can see, this mustard is definitely the leaves are definitely ready to harvest. Or for small leaves. Now some people like to grow them bigger to get a little bit more flavor out of them. I tend to like them small. You can use them in salads, or you can cook them up and have them that way. Now these are our turnips. Turnips are a little bit slower on growing, and we'll thin these out and eat some of the greens, but we're gonna leave them to grow turnips. And this is our kale. Now a lot of times we harvest kale when it's smaller like this. A lot of people always, and when you see it in the store, it's bigger, but we kind of like it when it's small. The spinaches, you could pick a few baby leaves right now, maybe doing a salad, but it's not quite ready. We're finally getting a little bit of rain today. But one thing, if you're going to grow these type of crops, make sure that they have plenty of moisture. Greens like plenty of moisture. They like a good fertile soil. They like a lot of nitrogen if you're going to grow the green part. So you know, some chicken manure that's set for a time where it's not going to be so hot, that would be a good source. But any organic source for fertilizer, or if you're not trying to be completely organic, you could use a calcium nitrate. Works real well to speed up the process. But anyway, I hope this encourages you, because especially if you're probably in zone 7 or further south, you still have plenty of time to get a crop of greens in. So don't think you're stuck to where you can't plant anything. If you like this, hit that thumbs up button, take and share it, and if you want to see more of mine, subscribe and hit that bell button. Happy gardening.